Avoid repetition in IELTS writing. Hello everyone, welcome back to the IELTS Worldly YouTube channel. Today we're talking about one of the most common pitfalls in the IELTS writing test, repetition. Whether you're preparing for the academic or general training module, avoiding repetition can significantly boost your writing score. Let's explore pro tips and tricks to make your writing more varied, engaging, and effective. Let's get started. Why avoiding repetition matters. First things first, why is avoiding repetition so important? Repetition can make your writing sound dull and reduce your score in lexical resource and coherence and cohesion. A varied vocabulary and sentence structure show the examiner your language proficiency and ability to express ideas effectively. Tip number 1, use synonyms. Replacing repetitive words with synonyms is an easy way to enhance your writing. For example, instead of saying happy repeatedly, use pleased, content, or delighted. Pro tip, practice with word lists or a thesaurus to expand your vocabulary. This helps you replace repetitive words naturally during the exam. Next, use pronouns. Instead of repeating the same noun, use pronouns like he, she, it, or they. For example, instead of saying the student over and over, alternate with he or she once the subject is clear. Pro tip, always ensure your pronouns are clear. The reader should easily understand which noun the pronoun is replacing. Tip 3, employ parallel structures. When listing items or ideas, keep your structure consistent. For example, instead of saying I like hiking, swimming, and to go camping, write I like hiking, swimming, and camping. Pro tip, practice writing sentences with parallel structures to make your list smooth and error-free. Number 4, use transitional phrases. Words like furthermore, in addition, however, and similarly not only connect ideas but also reduce repetition. Pro tip, create a list of transitional phrases and practice incorporating them into your essays. This will help you use them confidently in the test. Tip 5, vary your sentence structure. Instead of sticking to the same type of sentence, mix it up with simple, compound, and complex sentences. This keeps the reader engaged and highlights your grammatical range. Pro tip, write sentences of different lengths and types. This will help you develop a natural rhythm in your writing. 6th, proofread your writing. Always leave time to review your essay for repetitive words or phrases. Use tools like Grammarly to catch repetition and get suggestions for alternatives. Pro tip, read your essay out loud while proofreading. Hearing your writing helps you catch repetitive or awkward phrasing more effectively. Finally, adapt your vocabulary to the context. Use formal language in essays and simpler words in informal letters. For instance, instead of saying kids in a formal essay, use children. Pro tip, practice writing essays on different topics to get a feel for context-appropriate vocabulary. This will make avoiding repetition second nature. To recap, here's how you can avoid repetition in your IELTS writing test. Use synonyms. Replace repeated nouns with pronouns. Employ parallel structures. Add variety with transitional phrases. Mix sentence types. Proofread carefully. Adapt vocabulary to the context. By following these tips, you'll not only reduce repetition but also improve coherence, clarity, and overall quality in your writing. For official IELTS practice tests, visit our website at IELTSworldly.com. Remember, practice makes perfect. That's it for today's video. Let me know in the comments if you have any specific IELTS topics you want me to cover next. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow IELTS test takers. Don't forget to subscribe to the IELTS Worldly YouTube channel and turn on notifications for more IELTS tips and tricks. Have questions or want to share your progress? Drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.